Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best bathtub cover available in the market. Meet the AGPTEK Disposable Bathtub Cover Liner. If you're looking for a way to enjoy a clean and hassle-free bath experience, this is the product you need. The AGPTEK bathtub cover comes in a convenient 12-pack, each liner measuring a generous 102 by 47 inches. Made from high-density polyethylene, these liners are designed for both durability and convenience. They're thickened for high-temperature resistance and great toughness, ensuring they won't easily tear during use. Plus, they're completely odorless, which means your bath experience won't be affected by any unpleasant smells. These liners offer excellent protection from contaminants, making them ideal for public bathhouses or shared facilities. Each liner is single-use, ensuring maximum hygiene. Whether you have a standard bathtub, a wooden barrel, or a hotel tub, this liner fits them all seamlessly. For best results, sprinkle some water around the inside of your bathtub before placing the liner. This simple step helps the liner stay in place perfectly. So, why choose a disposable bathtub liner? Well, not only does it keep your tub clean, but it also saves you time on scrubbing and cleaning up after each bath. You can enjoy a luxurious soak without worrying about residue or grime from previous uses. This product isn't just for home use. It's perfect for salons, sauna clubs, and even while traveling. Imagine staying in a hotel and still being able to enjoy a clean and private bath experience. Simply grab a liner, and you're set. Check the link in the description below to grab yours today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique. We'll see you next time with more amazing products. Happy bathing!